Becoming lesser and lesser, and I have not gaining viewers. So I hope you watch my vlogs, guys. Please share my vlogs. Thank you. Please share my vlogs. I need views. I need more people to watch my vlogs, my shorts, my my daily vlogs. I hope you share it, guys. And my a day in my life in the Philippines. It's the same. So I hope you watch my vlogs, guys. Please share it. My views are becoming lesser and lesser. So I'm here right now to ask you to watch my vlogs in order for me to monetize and to earn, to gain more viewers and to earn monetize my money. Thank you.